even though Professor Dave did a great job explaining Newton's third law of motion, now that you have an understanding of free body diagrams, I think it's really important to understand what third law pairs are. And so I think that if you think about Newton's third law, it's for every force, there's an equal and opposite force. Action, reaction. I don't like the action, reaction. I like to think of it as force pairs. So for every force, there's an equal and opposite force. And so a big misconception that students have is, let's say I have a man and he's standing on the earth here, and I draw this free body diagram of the man. I have the force on the man by the earth. This is the force of gravity. And I have this upward force, the force on the man by the ground. This is the normal force. These forces, yes, are equal and opposite, but those aren't force pairs. These are not force pairs because force pairs are they're on each other. So these are two forces that act on a man. Force pairs would be the force on the man by the earth and the force on the earth by the man. So the force pairs are when these two on by or object agents are switched. This is a man sitting on a box. Here's the free body diagram of the man. Again, this is our normal force, and this is our gravitational force, gravity. And the box, we have the force on the box by the ground. This is the normal force. We have the force on the box by the earth. This is the gravitational force, or the mass, the weight of the box. Then you have this force on the box by the man. So notice the force on the box by the man. So the man sits on the box and pushes the box down. That force on the box, this force that the man's putting on the box here, is down. And then we have the force on the man by the box. We have this upward force that's supporting the man, the force on the man by the box. These two forces are third law pairs. One's down, one's up, and they're acting on each other. The force on the man by the box, the force on the box by the man. So these are your third law pairs. The big takeaway is this. Third law pairs never appear on the same free body diagram. They are forces that act on different objects, and these action agents are switched. There we go.